Hey YouTube family. So I told y'all that I was gonna be painting that microphone that I hauled a while ago. So right now I'm just getting everything out, trying to make sure. I'm just really just gonna put just drop a little bit of color on this plate. I ain't even put no gloves on. I'm just gonna rub some color here and there. Y'all know with the acrylic paint, it don't take much. I don't care what kind of project you're doing. It don't take much, it is. So I just got like red and green, blue. Just basically like the colors that's already down here and the colors that's already on these instruments. The saxophone and the musical note. Just kind of using those same colors. So just to brighten it up, liven it up. I ain't bring no white down here, but I don't think I need it anyway. So, yeah, I'm just gonna y'all gonna see me double dipping with the same brush too, just to let y'all know. So let me turn the camera so I can get started. Move over here a little bit. I think y'all can see. I think y'all can see pretty good. Let me see. I got that door open for light because I don't have my ring light down here. I need to get me one just to keep down here so I don't have to keep moving it around. But let me see. So don't know like in what format it's gonna be, but let me see. Start off with this bright red. I need to put another nail in the wall. That's what I need to do. After I put this red on here, I think I'm gonna put another nail in there to next 30. See that this acrylic paint, and I had only dipped it that one time. Well, I just dipped it again, but see how far that goes? That's what I say. It don't take much of that at all for nothing. I don't care what you're doing. But I don't need you to be moving around, microphone. It don't even have to be neat. It just needs to be there. So a little black one in there. Right. Oh well. Yeah. Hard to get through this paneling. I'm just trying to keep it from moving. Y'all, I thought y'all could see me painting the top and y'all didn't see nothing. I came back here and looked at this camera and y'all ain't seen nothing. So I'm getting ready to add some more red. These are the colors right here that I put on this plate that I'm using. So I think I'm gonna put red on the bottom. And it don't have to be neat. You know, just want to kind of just etch it on, you know, because I'm not going to like paint the whole thing. I just want to add color to it. So, y'all remember when I hauled this? I put this video in my description box when I had hauled this. But I had said it was so plain, but I can't even remember what the price was. I just knew I wouldn't pay full price, but I had got it for the 66% off sale at Hobby Lobby. And so I was like, I could just add, I needed something else to go with this saxophone and this music note, but I could never find anything that I, you know, that would just caught my eye. And so yeah, let me see what I want to do here. Just give it a little something, you know, nothing special. So on to another color. Just had to step back, see if y'all could even see that. You know. So I think I'm gonna do the blue. I don't have no little water right here. I can go right there and get some water, but it is what it is, y'all. Honestly, it is what it is. Honestly, y'all see, I didn't wipe this. I just kind of try to give it a little messy look up there. There. Here. Y'all think that's enough? Or y'all think I need to add a little bit something else? Just kind of sloppy. Just make it just be. Cause it got like that rustic look anyways. So I don't want to just make it look neat. You want it to look kind of, you know. I just wanted it to blend in. Everything else looked messy, so just let it blend on in. That's a shame I ain't using none of the other paint brushes, y'all. I just used this one. Oh no, let me step back and see. I think it's cute, y'all. What y'all think? I really don't think I need to add nothing else to it. I could just leave it like that. I just wanted to add something to it. Now my that saxophone do got a little bit of pink running through it. And let me tell y'all something. I just noticed this. I done had this thing, and this look like Abraham Lincoln right here. I ain't never paid no attention. Let me pull this down. Can y'all see it? What I'm talking about? Let me pull it down a little bit. Let me zoom in. See if y'all can see what I say. Like, I ain't never paid no attention to this face on here. Never paid attention. Never paid attention. But I like it, y'all. I don't even think I need to add Mod Podge to it. I can just let it just be.